Hello everyone, this is Dr. Sunil Chandan Shive, and in this video we are going to understand the various multiple choice questions and their answer of the subject of foundation course, which is a compulsory subject for FY BCom, BA and BSc. So in this subject there are five important modules are there, but I am going to cover only four important module. First module deals with the overview of Indian society. Second module disparity part 1. Third module deals with the disparity part 2, and the fourth module is about the Indian constitution. So let's discuss the multiple choice questions of the first module. And in that in the multiple choice questions, what you need to do, you need to just select the correct option. So there will be different three or four options, and among that you need to select the correct option. Okay, so the first question in the first module overview of Indian society के अंदर है, the Indian society is dash dash in nature, and the answer is pluralistic in nature. Second question, the Constitution of India has recognized dash dash major languages. There are 22 languages has recognized by Indian Constitution, and these are the major languages. Third question is about dash dash refers to the existence within the nation or society of a groups distinctive in ethnic origin, cultural patterns, languages and religion, etc. And the answer is diversity. Yes, in Indian society there is a diversity in terms of cultural patterns, languages and religion and all. Fourth question, traditional Hindu society was divided into dash varnas based on occupations of the individual, and the answer is four varnas. फोर वर्ण हमारे देश में पहले थे. Fifth question, dash is a holy book of Hindus, and the answer is Bhagavad Gita. Question number 6, dash consists of satisfaction of bodily needs and enjoyment of desirable object of the world, and the answer is Pravritti Marg. Seventh question, dash consists of developing detachment from materialistic things of the world, and the answer is Nivritti Marg. Eighth question, dash is the most scared book of Islam, and the answer is Quran. Ninth question, the holy book of Christian is Bible. The holy book of Sikh is Guru Granth Sahib. Number next 11 question, dash follow the teaching of Lord Gautam Buddha, and the answer is Buddhist follow the teaching of Lord Gautam Buddha. Question number 12, the followers of dash follow the preaching of Lord Mahavira, and the answer is Jainism follow the teaching of Lord Mahavira. Question number 13, the holiest book of Jews is Torah. 14th question, the dash follow the teaching of religious teacher Zoroaster, and the answer is Zoroastrians follow the teaching of religious teacher Zoroaster. Question 15th, the holy book of Zoroastrian is a Zenda Avesta. 16th question, among the state in India, dash has the highest gender ratio, and the answer is Kerala state has the highest gender ratio. 17, among the state in India, dash has the lowest gender ratio, and the answer is Haryana. 18th question, in India, dash state has the highest literacy rate, and the answer is Kerala. In India, dash state has the lowest literacy rate, and the answer is Bihar. बिहार में सबसे ज़्यादा कम literacy rate है. 20, the rural people in India are mostly engaged in dash in agriculture sector in rural area. Okay, the urban population in India is mostly engaged in dash sector. Urban area में लोग कहाँ पे काम करते हैं generally mostly in service sector. Yes, industrial sector में भी है लेकिन service sector में ज़्यादा. Okay. 22, a dash is a community occupying a common geographical area and having common language and culture, and the answer is tribe. They are having the common language and culture, and they are living in a specified in a certain geographical area. 23, the tribe are referred as dash in the constitution. The answer is scheduled tribes, the word used for the tribes. 24. The majority of the tribal population in India are Hindus. Okay. 25th. Dash dash is a belief in the spirit of the dead. Animism is the answer. 26. Dash dash is a worship of material things like leaf, feather, horn, stone, and so on. And the answer is fetishism. 27. Dash dash is a belief in totem which may be in an animal like wolf, hawk, turtle, etc., or plant or natural object. And the answer is totemism. 28. Dash dash is a national language in India. डेफिनेटली इंडिया की नेशनल लैंग्वेज कौन सी है? हिंदी. 29. Majority of the tribals are engaged in dash dash sector. Tribals are mostly engaged in agriculture sector. In India, the states are formed mostly on the basis of languages. Like in Maharashtra, Marathi language है. Gujarat में Gujarati language, like that. 31 question. Shwetambar and dash dash are the two sect of Jainism. Shwetambar and Digambar. Okay. 32 question. India is the dash dash country by area in the world. India is the seventh largest country by area in the world. ये fourth गलत है. 33 question. The 8th schedule of Indian Constitution enumerates 22 languages. ये क्वेश्चन पहले भी आया था. Then 34 question. Lord Mahavira is the 24th तीर्थंकर of Jainism. Jainism कि वो 24th तीर्थंकर थे, Lord Mahavir. 35. Hinayan and Mahayan are the two major school of thought in dash dash in Buddhism religion. Hinayan and Mahayan ये दो. 36. The Indian language belongs to dash dash language families, and the answer is 4 language families. Okay, ठीक है. Then 37 question. Mongoloids, Nigrotas, and Astroloids are the example of Indian dash dash group, tribal group. ठीक है. Next 38 question. Dash dash state is the home to largest population of scheduled tribes in India, and the answer is Madhya Pradesh. Okay. 39 question. The Eightfold Path, the Four Noble Truths, and the concept of Nirvana are associated with religion of Buddhism. Then 40 question. Santhals, Pardi, Jaintia, Naga are the tribes of India. These are the tribes. Then 41 question. The Telugu belongs to dash dash language of families. Okay, these are the, and the answer is Dravidian. The Telugu belongs to Dravidian language of families. So these are the 41 question of the first module, Overview of Indian Society, and below side you can see all these are the answer of these 41 question. Now we will move for the next second important module, and second important module deals with the uh, disparity part 1, and among that there are many questions are there, we will see. The first question is the based on dash dash individual are placed in social classes, lower income, middle income, and upper income. So these are the classification on the basis of economic status. Okay. Then second question, dash dash is the system of structured inequality which rates and rank members of the society based on definite criteria. The answer is social stratification. Third question है, dash dash is an established system of classifying groups based on caste, economic status, etc. And the answer is again social stratification. The dash dash system is the result from stratification based on hereditary status, traditional occupation, and restrictions on social relationship, and the answer is caste. Okay. Fifth question, the Varna system was a classification of individual based on their dash dash. Aptitude is based on their ability. The dash dash system refers to the classification of individuals based on their economic position of the society, and the answer is class system. Seventh question, in dash dash system, a person's social position was determined by ownership, occupation, and hereditary status, and the answer is estate. Eighth question, in estate system, the dash dash perform religious duties, clergy. Okay. Ninth question, Max Weber identified dash dash dimensions of social stratification, and answer is three dimensions of social stratification are identified by the Max Weber. 10th question, the ancient Hindu scriptures depict women as dash dash where references are made to the goddess Kali, and the answer is Shakti. ठीक है, Ajaram Mohan Roy organized a movement of oppose the practice of dash dash sati. सती को उन्होंने अपोज किया था. ठीक है, सती प्रैक्टिसेस को. 12th क्वेश्चन, dash dash is the only state where females outnumber males. Kerala. 13th, dowry harassment is a type of dash dash violence against women. Dowry harassment is a type of domestic violence. Rape and molestation is a type of dash dash violence against women. Answer is criminal. Okay. 15th question, sexual harassment at workplace is a form of dash dash violence against women. This is a social violence against women. 16th question, dash dash is the main cause of blindness, cataract. 17th question, dash dash is a serious form of conjunctivitis. The answer is trachoma. 18th question, dash dash is a commonly called as far sightedness, and the answer is hypermetropia. 19th, dash dash is a branch of medicine that deals with the treatment of eyes problems, and the answer is ophthalmology. 20, dash dash deafness is caused due to genetic factors, and the answer is congenital. 21, dash dash handicapped person are those who have limitations with respect to their physical movement and activity, and the answer is orthopedically. 22 question, dash dash is a caused due to damage of motor areas of brains during the pregnancy of the fetus, birth, or infancy. The answer is cerebral palsy. 23rd question, dash dash is a muscle destroying disease inherited by person, and the answer is dystrophy. 24th, a mentally retarded challenged person has a lower intelligence when his or her IQ is below 70. Answer is 70. 25, dash dash is a severe congenital thyroid deficiency during childhood which leads to physical and mental deficiency, and the answer is cretinism. 26, dash dash is a defect due to extra chromosome, and the answer is Down syndrome. 27, dash dash is a mental retardation because of biochemical defect in the body of the child, and the answer is galactosemia. 28, dash dash can be treated with a external supply of thyroxine if detected at the early stage of childhood, and the answer is cretinism. 29 question, dash dash is an impairment of the brain's ability to translate images received from the eyes into undesirable languages? And the answer is dyslexia. 30 question. Digest are persons below the age of 18 years who commit socially undesirable act, and the answer is delinquents. 31 question. Dash oppose the practice of sati. ये क्वेश्चन पहले भी आया था. राजा राम मोहन राय oppose the practice of sati. 32. Denial of share in property is a form of dash violence, domestic violence. 33 question. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar burnt a Manusmriti symbolically in 1927 to destroy and the caste discrimination. अनटचेबिलिटी एंड कास्ट डिस्क्रिमिनेशन को डिस्ट्रॉय करने के लिए मनुस्मृति को उन्होंने जलाया था. ठीक है. इन डैश देयर फार साइटेडनेस बट नॉट शॉर्ट साइटेडनेस, एंड द आंसर इज हाइपरमेट्रोपिया. 35th क्वेश्चन. डैश कॉज द मेन रीजन ऑफ फीमेल्स फेटिसाइड. द आंसर इज प्रेफरेंस फॉर मेल चाइल्ड by the parents. Then 36th question. The major cause of declining sex ratio is the poverty. Okay. The next 37 question. The gender is a dash concept. Gender is a sociological concept. ठीक है. Economical नहीं है, biological नहीं है. Then 38th question. Preconception and prenatal diagnostic technique act is aimed at preventing female feticide. Okay, female feticide. 39th question. The traditional Hindu society was divided into dash varna system, the 4 varna system. And the 40 question is about the dash has a lowest child, the age group in between 0 to 6 has a sex ratio in India. सबसे कम child sex ratio कहाँ पे है? तो that is in Haryana. Okay students, you can see these are the all answer of the multiple choice questions of the module 2nd. You can check out this all the answer. Then next we will move for the third module is about the concept of disparity part 2, and among that again we will discuss the multiple choice questions and their answers. Question number 1. The caste factor is more prominent among the dash than any other community. Hindus. Answer is Hindus. Second question. Dash of Indian Constitution states that untouchability is abolished and its practice in any form is forbidden. It is mentioned in Article 17. Third question. The dash guaranteed equal access in several spheres such as the legal process, education and public employment. The answer is fundamental rights, guaranteed equal access in several spheres like that. Fourth question. The dash guidelines to the center and state government for policy making and for achieving social, economic and political justice, and the answer is directive principles. Directive principles के अंदर ये guidelines है. Fifth question. The dash scheme has improved enrollment in government school. कौन सी स्कीम ने ये एनरोलमेंट इंप्रूव किया है? दैट इज द मिड डे मील. At times, dash leads to violence and lawlessness in society, and the answer is conflict. Seventh question. Dash is a belief or an ideology of social, political and religious group that their religion and practices are superior to those of other groups, and the answer is communalism. 8th question. Due to dash there are conflict between upper caste and the lower caste, and the answer is casteism. 9th question. Dash refers to loyalty of people to particular area within state or country usually characterized by common culture and languages or historical social background? And the answer is regionalism. 10th question. The sorry, underdeveloped region in India are neglected and the treated as a dash dash backward region. 11th question. Anti Hindi agitation took place in dash dash India, southern India. The dash dash border dispute is a dispute involving the Indian states of Karnataka and Maharashtra, and the answer is Belgaum. 13th question. Dash dash refers to the attachment towards one's own religion. Sorry. 13th question. Dash dash refers to the attachment towards one's own religion, and the answer is regionalism. 14th question. Demand of the sons of soil is a regionalism. Okay. 15th question. There is a water dispute over Dajas river in the state of Maharashtra, Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh, and the answer is Krishna. 16th question. Dajas is a solution to the communalism, and the answer is commu- uh, communism. ठीक है. 17th question. Caste system is a form of dash dash stratification, and the answer is social stratification. 18th question. Scheduled caste are not found in Mizoram state. Okay. 19th question. The dispute over Chandigarh, Belgaum, uh, Kasargod between related states are example of regionalism. 20 question. Dash arises out of religious fundamentalism, and the answer is communalism. 21 question is about dash water dispute involves states of Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. The answer is Kaveri. Kaveri water dispute involves state of Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. Okay students, these are the 21 question, multiple type questions and their answers you can see on the screen. Now after discussing these multiple choice questions of the third module, we will discuss the some objective questions of the module 4th, that is the Indian Constitution. So under this module there may be around 40 questions. One by one we'll discuss these questions and their answer. Number one question. The dash dash to the Constitution is called preamble. The answer is introductory note. ठीक है, preamble को introductory note भी कहा जाता है. The word dash dash envisages the goal of welfare state, and the answer is socialist. Third question. The word dash dash means equal respect for all religions, and the answer is secular. Fourth question. Dash dash means that there will be a representative and responsible system of government, and the answer is democratic. Democratic means there will be representative and responsible system of the government. Fifth question. Dash dash means the head of the state or president will be periodically elected by the people, and the answer is republic. Republic means head of the state will be periodically elected by the people. Sixth question. Dash justice gives universal adult franchise, equal opportunity to all citizens and protections to minority, and the answer is political. Political justice gives a universal adult franchise, equal opportunity to all the citizens and protections to minority. Seventh question. Dash justice means that everyone must have sufficient opportunity to earn daily bread and satisfy basic needs. And the answer is economic justice. 8 question. Digest justice aims at setting up of a society where there is equal social status for all and there is no discrimination on any ground. And the answer is the social justice aims at setting up society where there is equal social status for all and there is no discrimination on any ground. Okay. Ninth question is about dash dash means that individual has a freedom of thought, belief, expression, faith and worship. And the answer is liberty. 10th question, dash dash of the individual means the personality of each individual should be recognized and respected. And the answer is dignity. Dignity of the individuals means personality of each individual should be recognized and respected. 11th question, there are dash dash parts in the structure of Indian's constitution. And the answer is 22 parts are there in the structure of Indian constitution. 12th question, there are dash dash schedule in the structure of Indian constitution that indicate the policy of the government. And the answer is there are 12 schedule in the structure of Indian constitution. 13th question, dash dash of the Indian constitution have been done for the purpose of variation, addition or cancellation of any provision made in the constitution. And the answer is amendment. With the help of amendment you can make a changes, you can cancel of any provisions made in the constitution or you can add. 14th question, the dash dash specifies the power of parliament to amend the constitution and procedure of it. And the answer is article 368 specifies the power of parliament to amend constitution and procedure of it. 15th question, article 51 of the Indian constitution lists down dash dash fundamental duties of the citizens of India, and there are total 11 fundamental duties. Okay. 16th question, the dash dash refers to the ability of a person to accept and respect the views, beliefs and practices of others that differs from one's own, and the answer is tolerance. 17th question, the dash dash refers to freedom from disturbances and violence, and the answer is peace. Peace refers to the freedom from disturbance and violence. 18th question, the dash dash means creating peace among the community, and the answer is communal harmony. Next question, most of the article can be amended by parliament by majority in each house of the parliament, and the answer is 2/3. Okay, next 20 question, the constitution of India confers dash dash citizenships. Yes, there is a single citizenship in India. And the next question the same asked but in other way, the Indian constitution provides dash dash citizenship to the citizens of India, and the answer is single. The 21, prime minister is the dash dash head in India, and the answer is executive. 22, the 22 question, dash dash is the commander in chief of all forces in India, and the answer is president. Okay. Next question, 23rd, the constitution of India came into effect on dash dash 1950, and the answer is 26 November. Okay. Article dash dash of the Indian constitution is against untouchability. कौन सा article है? 17. Yes, article 17 of the Indian constitution is the against of untouchability. 25th question, dash dash is the chief architect of Indian constitution, and the answer is Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. 26th question, as per article 168 of the Indian constitution, the houses of the state legislature can be uh, unicameral or bicameral? Okay, answer is bicameral. Bicameral. 27th question. According to the Indian Constitution, there are dash types of emergency. There are three types of emergency. The Indian Constitution makes a provision for positive discrimination via Article 15. 29 question. There are dash scheduled in the Indian Constitution, and the answer is 12. 30 question. India is a dash of state. India is a union of states. 31 question. The term secular was added to the preamble by Amendment 42. 42nd amendment से add किया secular word. Okay. 32 question. Sorry, answer is 42. Untouchability in India is abolished and its practice in any form is prohibited by Article 17. Yes. 33 question. Indian Constitution has adopted dash democracy, and the answer is parliamentary. 34th question. Article dash of the Indian Constitution makes special provisions for scheduled caste, and the answer is 15th. Article 15th of the Indian Constitution makes a special provision for scheduled caste. 35th question. Fundamental duties are incorporated in Indian Constitution by Article 51. Okay. Okay, students, these are the different multiple choice questions of the module first, overview of Indian society, module second, disparity part 2, module third, disparity part 2, and module 4 about the Indian Constitution. So please, if you like this video, please comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.